Another street food.
But I want to try, I want to take a look the like, street food.
This street food.
Laoปั่นมาล่ะ
Where Shaira? Lost. I don't know. This is club. Big club. Impact Club. Smile Land. Another Chinese restaurant. So many Chinese restaurants. This is another street. We already going to hotel right now because time now already 2:10, 2 a.m. No, knock bar. Exchange already, how much exchange now? US dollar. Okay. Knock bar. Hi? So many Chinese restaurants, so many. Guangdong Foods. Guangdong Foods here. Before I not seen so many Chinese restaurants, so many now. Did you remember, Shaira, before not so many Chinese restaurants? Now everywhere, all in Chinese language, many Chinese restaurants. Even here, all English, Chinese language. Chinese, English language. Everywhere. It look like everywhere is Chinatown. Shaira, in the Philippines, so many so many Korean. Korean, yes. But in Thailand, so many Chinese. This is Korean pharmacy. Korean pharmacy. What is this? Atlantic bar. Atlantic bar. It's all Atlantic bar. We already near Central Marina. So you won't buy manga? Okay, you can taste manga in. We can eat in hotel room. Okay, Shaira, you choose big mango, okay? Only for one time. So now we can eat, not for tomorrow. Tomorrow we can buy again. No, you choose. You know how Filipina choose manga. Smell? What, Shaira? You also, Georgi, you can smell.
And what?
I don't know, ask you, Shaira. You explain if you smell what,
If you smell here sweet, it means
how you know sweet or not. Shaira, for sailor soul sweet. You choose. Oh. Maybe it's, I think it's cheaper, more cheaper.
the white.
Aye?
The white. Who's not?
Yes, it's enough. No, maybe 3. Again, smell, Shaira, smell. He take you. How much?
100.
Huh?
100.
100 all. So this is 100, 4 pieces.
Yeah.
4 pieces. Can you cut?
Kate?
Katoy. Katoy. Shaira, katoy, it's like bakla. I said katoy. Georgi. Katoy, Georgi, katoy for you. What you say katoy? Katoy in Thailand is, you know, guy who cut. It's bakla, who, not bakla already. Katoy for you, Georgi. No, we already bought. What, Shaira? We already
Smell
bought.
it, smell it.
Smell, Georgi. You smell.
You can change it with another.
No, not need, okay.
Already.
We already... What?
This is sour, right?
Yes.
Sour.
Same, in the Philippines also same have.
No. It's another type of mango. This one.
I don't know, this is music, maybe copyright music, I don't know.
Two mango in one and another two in another plate. Okay?
Separate plastic. Yeah, separate. Yes, шикар. Манго. Oh, very hot here, very hot.
But in Philippines, this time it's so cold.
For you hot also, Shaira?
Yes, it's so hot. That's why one I stopped with it.
No, don't have, you know, this time don't have. It's already time 2:20 a.m. Good.
2 kilo.
2 kilo. So 1 kilo it's 50 baht. It's about 80 peso. 1 kilo, Shaira, 80 peso. It's good manga. In the Philippines, same manga, maybe 150, 160, maybe 170. What do you think?
160.
No, big manga.
No. Maybe it's 150, 126, 160.
Maybe 160. Because near Walking Street we seen in 150.
But this one, it's more bigger than...
More bigger. Okay, you taste in hotel room. Okay, let's go. Another side. This is one-way road, Shaira. You need to know.
I thought someone goes on
No, only one way. So we go into the hotel. Good mango. Before, this is our hotel, this building, Sabai Wing. But entrance now in the main entrance only here. But maybe this is new building or not? Ah, all same. Alcohol have also. Yes, this way. X station. Yes, we go into another building already. Shaira, how about mango?
Mango is mango, I like.
You like mango? Sweet?
The mango here seem like in Philippines like Carabao. The Carabao it's like green before it's almost so sour.
You talk about Carabao or Carabao mango?
Carabao mango.
Carabao, because people don't understand.
It's Carabao mango.
Carabao mango.
That's why it's bigger like this because it's type of mango. It's Carabao mango.
In the Philippines, this is mango named Carabao mango. It's
Yes.
big mango.
Yes, big mango. Because have 4 type of mango. But it's 4.
Okay, you can get.